Sugod na!
Maayong adlaw, Cebu! As we celebrate Sinulog, we come together not just in dance and color, but in faith, gratitude, and hope. Sinulog reminds us who we are as people, joyful, compassionate, and deeply rooted in our devotion to the Senior Santo Niño. This year, our celebration carries deeper meaning. Cebu has been tested by challenges, yet time and again, we have risen, helping one another, standing together, and moving forward with faith. Like the Sinulog beat, our journey may move back and forth, but it always leads us forward. May this celebration renew our hearts, strengthen our compassion, and remind us to care for one another, especially the vulnerable, the tired, and those still rebuilding. As your governor, I pray that the Senior Santo Niño continues to guide our province, protect our families, and bless every home with peace, health, and hope. Let us celebrate responsibly, joyfully, and in unity. Pit Senior, Viva Senior Santo Niño!